how can we live amid uncertainty? Suppose we are driving, we would want to know where the road ahead leads us. And especially if we come to a crossroad, how do we move ahead? But if we were in a particularly stormy or misty weather, then we would have to keep moving slowly, even if we can't see clearly much ahead. All the more so if we are on an urgent mission. Life similarly puts us in misty situations. In general, life is much more complex than any road drive. And we may have a plan about how we will move ahead during this road drive of life. But it's not easy to keep moving forward amid life's many uncertainties. And sometimes we might just find ourselves crippled because of the uncertainty. Especially in terms of how adversities may come like storms and mists and blur our vision of what we are meant to do in our lives. We generally gain some confidence and clarity about our life by understanding the cause-effect connection between actions and their results. And accordingly, we try to choose wisely and responsibly with the hope and the expectation that we will get positive results thereby. But sometimes adversities befall us with no apparent cause. We try to do something good and something disastrous results from it. Pointing to such misty phases of life, the Bhagavad Gita 4:17 states that the movements of karma are often very difficult to understand. Karmano yapi bodhavyam cha vikarmana, akarmanasya bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. That gahana karmano gatihi, the movements of karma are very difficult to understand. With that basic framework, we can see how each one of us can be empowered amid uncertainty. For such perseverance, we need to shift our focus from what we know from our knowledge to our position, to what we are meant to do. The Bhagavad Gita clearly describes that we are all parts of the whole, the all powerful, all benevolent, all attractive Supreme Krishna. And we are meant to serve and contribute in a mood of devotion, whatever be the particular situation in our life. With this understanding, if we persevere, then we all can progress steadily toward perfection. When faced with uncertainty, we need to ground ourselves in the twin certainties that we are parts of Krishna and that we are meant to serve Him. And the willingness to ground ourselves in these certainties, not in the certainty of seeing the path ahead of us clearly, that willingness is the essence of humility. We see such humility in Arjuna, who after hearing the Gita accepted that his position was to do Krishna's will. Yet, when the actual battle of Kurukshetra started, he didn't know specifically how he would overcome formidable warriors like Bhishma and Drona. Yet, by fighting one battle at a time, shooting one arrow at a time, enduring one wound at a time, he persevered till he achieved the ultimate victory, as prophesied in the Gita. By following in Arjuna's footsteps, we too can be empowered to persevere through uncertainty with humility. To summarize, to persevere amid humility, we need to shift our focus from how much can we see ahead to how we can serve now.